Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time you are coming across my video, I want you to click on the subscription button and also turn on your notification bell so as for you to be notified whenever I drop a video on forex like this. So today I'm going to be showing you how to spot support and resistance in the market. So first of all, we are going to be using Euro USD as our case study. If you look very closely, first of all, I'll have to go to a 4 hour time frame. At a 4 hour time frame is where I normally mark my support and resistance after knowing the trend of the market from a daily time frame. Now first of all, let's check at the daily time frame. Now if you look closely at the daily time frame, you see that price is in an was in a downtrend and is going to an uptrend. So you might want to turn your phone into a landscape mode so as for you to see clearly of what I'm going to be showing. What are we really seeing? Now you can see, now you can really see clearly what the price is telling you, what the price is trying to let us know here. You can see very clearly that this market is in a downtrend and is moving to an uptrend, but you don't just want to trade, you just don't want to trade. So what I do here is, now I have to bring out my trend line to to see the direction of the market. Now in a daily time frame, I just have to draw some trend line which shows the downtrend of the market from this point to this point. And you know, one thing about this trend line is whenever you are drawing a trend line, you have to make sure it have at least a minimum of 2 touches. That's what makes your trend line valid. So now looking clearly, you can see directly that this is really a downtrend. This is a downtrend, and if price should be breaking this level, we are looking at price coming to this other trend line here, the bigger trend line here. Price will be coming to this bigger trend line to move to the downside. Now how will you know that this price is getting to this level? Let me bring out my arrow so that you really understand what I'm talking about. Now you should be, as a price action trader, you should know that price will be coming to this other trend line, to touch this trend line before moving to its downside. Price is in a downtrend. I'm just seeing this as a retracement. So now how will you know that this price will actually come to this level? Now what you have to do is you bring out there's a support line here. There's some kind of a support line here where I believe price might come in. Now you go to a 4-hour time frame now, so as for you to draw, this is just like a key level where you believe price might want to this is a daily time frame key level where you believe price might want to respect when it gets there. But now we are working on the current move of the market, which is up. The market is going to the upside. So now let's go to a 4-hour time frame. Now looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see clearly that this market is going to the upside. This market is actually going to the upside. Now what will you have to do now is for you to draw out those support level, those key support level where you believe price might want to react to, So normally most traders always draw their support and resistance as a box, but actually I don't just want my chart to be too messy, to be too like too cloudy with so many lines and so many things like that, to be confusing, you get. So I had to make use of, because of that, I have to make use of lines instead of using all these box of a thing. You understand? So let me change this to blue so as for you to really get. So now instead of me to be drawing all those boxes, I rather choose line. So if you look very clearly at this, there's a support level here, there's a level here, and there's also a level here. Okay, there's a level here. Okay guys, there's a level here. There's a significant level there which price might want to, you can see price have touched this level first, second touch, and now this is the third touch, and price is finding it difficult to break this level, which making it automatically, this is a support line, right? Yeah, this is a support line. So I'm going to be duplicating this. There's a level here, there's some kind of a level here. If you look very clearly at the past, price reacted at this point. Price reacted here, one touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, fifth touch, and price actually break out, came back, sixth touch, seventh touch, price breakout, touched it again, and now price is coming back to the same level. So now if price have come to this level and import, what do you think is going to happen if price gets to this other level again? Price is going to buy, right? Yeah. So now we believe in that if price gets to this level again, we'll be looking out for a buy to this other level. So now let's look out for another level here. There's another level here, I think so. Yes, there's another support level here. You can see price touched 1 2 3 4 5. There's like 5 touches here. There's like 5 touches here. So this is just like a head and shoulder pattern. Price trying to create a head and shoulder pattern. So what I'm just trying to let you know that I'm not saying it's wrong for you to draw a zone as your support and resistance, but sometimes I make use of zones, but I use it at a key current level where I believe that if price just get to that level, I'll just have to buy, or I just have to sell. So but just to make my chart clean and clear, I normally make use of lines for my support and resistance. So now these lines is the lines that I'm going to be looking very carefully at. I'm going to be taking a like I'm going to be really careful of. So you might want to bring out your trend line. You might want to fix up a trend line here at this point. I want to bring out a trend line at this point from here to here. So now what is this trend line really telling you now? That if price gets to this level, what will you be looking at? I'll be looking out for a buy. For me, I'll be looking out for a buy. So I'll only wait for price to get to this level, and price should give me a confirmation, a candlestick confirmation. I'll wait for a candlestick confirmation, then I'll be entering for the sell, targeting this other level, this other resistance level for my take profit. Now let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Now looking at the 1 hour time frame, you can see that this is a double top. You can see clearly that this is a double top, and this is price breaking this neckline, and price breaking this line and retesting, going to this support. Price came back again, and price is getting back to this level. Now price coming back to this level, what will you be looking at for? Be looking at for a buy. So for me, I'm going to wait for price to get to this level. If price gets to this level and I see a candlestick confirmation, then I will enter for the buy to this support level. So guys, this is just an easy way to draw your support and resistance without complicating things. You just have to look at those levels where price reacts so much. So for me, I normally draw my support and resistance from a 1 hour from a 4 hour time frame, mostly a 4 hour time frame to a 1 hour time frame. So a 1 hour time frame is just when I want to make my entry. Like now, if I really want to make this entry, well, I'm not going to talk about this. Maybe in my next video I'm going to show you how to draw your current support and resistance in a 1 hour time frame before choosing your entry, before making any decision. So if you know you really like my video and you need more, you want to hear more and you want to know more, I want you to subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a video like this. Thanks for